Wala silang manpower. They would need other departments, other agencies, organs of government to really function. Kung sabihin mo, ikaw lang ang departamento, you are not an island by yourself. So sabi nila dito, hindi nga kaya ng DOH at the time kung DOH ang inasahan, hindi magagamit ang 42 billion. Hindi mabibili ang kailangan natin because they were too busy in the pandemic response and most of the people were afflicted with COVID-19. Ang hinahanap nila yung may sakit. Wala silang panahon magpunta doon sa palengke para magbili nitong mga to. So sila ng tulong. Kaya ito, the process